I sure love this, baby. I sure love this. Palantir stock's up over 5.5% right now, which a lot of you guys were saying, Stas, what are you doing? Why are you buying Palantir? The stock's going to go down to 15 bucks, 10 bucks. A lot of you guys have been saying that in the comments. Well, take that, you mother effer. Yeah, we're gonna get a little spicy in this video, guys. It is what it is. But look, Palantir is now up 5.5%. We're pushing 25 bucks a share, and like I said, 30 bucks before the end of the year is very possible. And every day it seems like, at least the past couple of days here, we're getting closer and closer to that point. So I want to break down what is going on with Palantir, the charts, what ended up moving the stock up today, and we'll break down what I'm looking to do in this video. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000, guys, with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below, the QR code right here, or go to stassurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your money, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So look, PLTR has been moving up nonstop all day, and this is after Argus initiated coverage with a buy rating and I believe a $30 or $29 price target. Which, have they been watching my videos? They might have been watching my videos, guys, but either way, this is moving the stock up to now 25 bucks a share, and it looks like we're now up to a fresh high on this 5-day 5-minute chart, 10-day 30-minute chart we're breaking out. And now on the 20-day chart, you guys can see we're getting awfully close to those highs. Actually, wait, we're actually at a high on the 20-day chart. On this 4-hour chart, we're getting awfully close to where we were before, or right around earnings, when the stock hit about 25, 26 bucks, which I feel like it's like the final boss, right? Well, maybe not the final boss, but it's a huge resistance between us and breaking out to that 27.50 mark, which I think if that breaks, obviously 30 bucks could be next. But man, PLTR keeps breaking resistance after resistance, and the charts look really good right now, guys. Really good. We have a golden cross on the 4-hour chart. We're breaking above the moving averages. You cannot complain, man. And look, last week, like I said, we held above the 50 moving average on the 4-hour chart. We held that higher low. Buyers came in, and now we're launching past the highs from last week, and we're pretty much at a multi-month high right now, multi-week high for sure. Last time we were in this mid 20 range, $25 range. Last time we were here was back in the beginning of May, over a month and a half ago. So again, Argus initiated coverage with a buy rating on the stock. Let's break this down a little bit. So this came out this morning at 8:45 a.m. You guys can see right here, June 17th, 8:45 a.m. So they initiated, again, Argus is the analyst. They initiated a buy rating with a $29 price target, and this implies 274% upside. Well, not necessarily from where we are now. Not sure what that's covering or what. I don't really know about that, but either way, $29 price target, buy rating. So let's see what Argus thinks, kind of what their, where their head's at regarding Palantir. So Palantir, again, initiated with buy at Argus amid dramatically improving profitability, which, what did I say, guys? The company's been profitable. The more profitable they get, the more big money is going to start coming in. The more big money is going to start paying attention to Palantir. It just is what it is. That's how it works, guys, right? When a company is unprofitable, sure, people still invest in unprofitable companies, but the big money doesn't start coming in until you really prove profitability and a road for even more profitability, a future where there's going to be more profitability, which clearly Palantir has been showing that. They're going to be very profitable in the future. So you guys can see here, this company, or this firm rather, or analyst, $29 price target, and the analyst here, Joseph Bonner, noted that while Palantir has long served the needs of the U.S. defense and intelligence community, the company has expanded into the commercial sector with data management and analytics platforms capable of providing solutions to complex business problems. And the analyst added that Palantir's government business generated 55% of revenue in 2023, while the remaining 45% from its commercial segment, of which 38% was generated outside of the U.S. While Argus expects the government business segment to continue to grow, the commercial business, mainly in the U.S., looks to be the company's future growth driver, according to the analyst. And Bonner noted that, like several enterprise software companies, Palantir depends on new AI-powered applications to expand the business, right? And Argus's long-term rating for Palantir, of course, like I said, is also a buy. And Palantir shares are highly volatile and priced at a premium, but Argus also sees Palantir as a highly differentiated software company, which is good news. The analyst said that the company has been dramatically improving its profitability and cash flow over the past year, and Argus is establishing a 2024 non-GAAP EPS estimate of 33 cents and a 2024 forecast of 40 cents per share for Palantir, which is really good news. And it looks like here Palantir has a hold rating at Seeking Alpha's quant rating system, yada, yada, yada. We don't really care about that. But yeah, that's what's moving the stock right now, guys. And I tend to agree with Argus here, with Bonner, the analyst there, that said the commercial business in the U.S. will be the company's future growth driver, along with a couple of other things. But yeah, I'm totally on board with that. And like I said, profitability, so important, guys. Profitability is major, especially if you want big institutional investors, big firms to start buying into the stock, which honestly, I think they're going to be buying in droves at some point in the future, right? Of course, a lot of institutions already own Palantir stock, but trust me, man, once they're included in the S&P, once they're even more profitable, it's going to come in. The buying pressure is going to come in like no other. I mean, look, now we're up 6%. We're breaking out. Like I said, the chart looks really good. And I've mentioned this before. I'll say it again. If you guys recall this time period right here from November into February, we were in a longer term, quote unquote, a couple of months, not that long term, but still we downtrended for a couple of months there. Then we got the earnings and the stock went ballistic, right? All the way from 16 to 25 bucks. And then we started pulling back again for a couple of months. We saw a nice pull down from 27 to 20 bucks, which I bought that dip. I took advantage of that, and notice how we ended up holding and finding support at 20 bucks, which was the high from November, right before the pullback. Notice how we broke out of that 20 buck resistance. It became support. We held it as support a couple months ago, and now we're getting a pop off that support. That's a very good sign here for the bulls, guys. And to me, this chart looks golden. I think somebody on TikTok, on my TikTok live, by the way, at Stas Talk Stocks, follow me on there. I think somebody was like, Stas, I think PLTR is going to go down before it goes up again. I tend to disagree based on how the charts are looking. Now, does that mean there's no shot it's going to go down again? No, obviously it might go down again. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but overall this is directionally bullish right now, and I would not be surprised if we hit the mid-high 20s at some point in the near-term future, whether it's a couple weeks from now, a couple months from now. By the end of the year, we might go to 30. It's possible. It's possible, in my opinion. And yeah, I've been saying this for weeks. I'm buying Palantir. I'm holding on. And now the chart is looking really, really good, guys. Up 6%. And of course, we'll do more videos, more updates. We'll monitor this thing as it keeps on progressing. But for now, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe. And guys, don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000 with at least a $100 deposit. Just use that link down below, the QR code right here, or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your money, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.